everyone, this is Tanisha and welcome to my channel Fantastic Nikki. Today I'm here at JW Golfshire Resort and Spa, which is in Bangalore, which is around 15 to 20 kilometers away from Kempegowda International Airport, and it's a 25 minutes ride from the airport. And this is located at the foothills of Nandi Hills. Nandi Hills is built by the Ganga dynasty of Chikbalapur district, and whoever is from Karnataka would just know from the name Nandi Hills because it's really famous for its sunrise and sunset viewpoints. Since it is located at the footstep of Nandi Hills, the climate always in this property is moderate. In the evening it gets quite breezy and wonderful. This property is built in the landscape of around 22-acre land, which is a huge space, and it has 2 pools, 6 restaurants and almost 300 plus rooms. There are various category of rooms in this property, and I would be showing the one which I am staying at, which is the corner suite, the second highest category. Above that there is a presidential villa, and then you have other categories like the signature suite, they have deluxe room, they have signature room. Since this property is located at the footstep of Nandi Hills, as I said, the entire property is surrounding the Nandi Hills, and there is a lot of greenery around this property. They have made a man-made lake inside the property, and the speciality about this property is, in Bangalore you would not find any other 5-star that gives you so many activities in one place. They have something called as Halikate, which happens at 4 p.m. and it continues till 6:37, which has a wholesome activities which is complimentary, by the way, complimentary for all category of room, irrespective whether you are staying in a suite or staying in a room. And that includes your high tea, which is complimentary, as I said. They have a lot of outdoor games. There is golf, there is cricket, there is basketball, there is badminton, there is foosball. They also play some sort of music and games which happens on occasional basis when the occupancy is quite high. And they also have bonfire in the property, which they do at 7 p.m. They do canvas painting, and when you say high tea, it's just not the tea and coffee and cookies. They also have some other snacks like sometimes pakoras, some chaats, etc. Other than this, I would like to mention that it has multiple banquets around the property, wherein if you're planning some sort of occasion, you can plan it there. They have a lot of convention halls for business meetings. You can plan your meetings over here. And it has, as I said, there are 6 restaurants over here, and have tried the food everywhere. Everywhere the food was quite decent. The best was though Alishan, and it's a specialty restaurant, and I would be showing you more details about this in the later part of my video. You will see how Halikate looks like, you would see how the restaurants look like, how is a breakfast buffet. All the details you will find in my video. So whoever is planning a visit, this video will really help you out to plan your stay at JW Golfshire Resort and Spa. As the name says, it also has a spa, and I did a 60 minutes stress relief spa over here, and which also I would be sharing with you the video of my experience there. So this is more on the property. On the rates and other bits of it, I would share at the end of my video what is the rate of each category of room, and if you do some other activities, what are the chargeable activities as well. Welcome to my room. It's a corner suite room at JW Golfshire Resort and Spa. It's a second highest category room after the presidential villa, and it's 1120 square feet. You can imagine how big is the room. Just when you enter the room, there is a restroom, which is a common restroom. After which you have a living area where you can sit and relax, and there is a common wardrobe here. They also have a television. They have 2 televisions, one in the living area and then a seating area where my kid is enjoying his time, having his food. And there is a table and chair where you can sit and relax and have tea and coffee. Just adjacent to that, they have kept a mini bar with the basic, beer, etc. And the glasses and some snacks which is obviously on the chargeable basis. Then they have a tea making place and a coffee making place with the essentials. Obviously that's complimentary. And they also have another wardrobe. Then they have another gate to enter. So they have two gates you can enter. One goes to the room and the other goes to the living area. So this is the bedroom, which has our Alexa and a king size bed and a bed for the king as well. So they provide you a baby crib on a request basis. You got to pre-inform them. They have another television which you can enjoy, and they have a small table. And as you know, I'm celebrating my anniversary, so it's a gesture from the team that they had provided us a cake, mousse cake. And then comes the best part of this room. I want to give you a glimpse of this. So with a click of a button, this curtains will open. And then you got to see the world's most beautiful view from the right from your room, which is a view of Nandi Hills with a man-made lake and amazing greenery. You can sit here with a cup of tea or coffee, enjoy the beautiful view here, and just relax. I love this place. And then comes the bathroom and the restroom, which is quite spacious. There's a little bit messier because you know I have two kids, but I would still show you. So this is a washroom. It has a luggage area and a wardrobe again if you want to place something, with a locker and some drawers here. And then they have this restroom here, washing area, and then a bathtub, which is quite spacious. So this was about my room. The view from here is absolutely breathtaking. I'm standing here at the man-made lake of JW Golfshire Resort and Spa. You can see how beautifully they have made this lake. There are some swans and ducks also enjoying their time in the lake. And at the back of it, you will see the golf course, which is one of the largest golf course in South India. And again, if I don't know my camera could capture or not, but there was Nandi Hills, you know, at the back of this property. So as I said, this entire property has a lot of lush greenery, and it's quite sunny today, but still the wind is quite breezy because there's a lot of greenery over here. They also have boat rides in the evening. I haven't tried though, but I saw a family enjoying their time in the evening over here. This is my favorite place in JW, which is the kids club, which is called Family by JW. And this is a best spot for your kids because it is a very spacious kids club, which has lot of toys, lot of activities, and PlayStation for the teenagers. And there is a small tent where you can play hide and seek with your baby. There is a backers, there's a lot of toys, by the way. So it's quite spacious, as I said, and kids really enjoy having a good time. My kids were all through the, you know, the kids play area timing, which starts at 9 o'clock and it operates till 8 p.m. So you can drop your kids here and have your time. And there is a dedicated staff who takes care of the kids. You just have to drop your phone number and then everything is going to be taken care. And they also have a list of daily activities, which, you know, the front desk team will let you know. Every day it changes. And in the evening, they also have something called as dance DJ for the kids, which is on a rotation basis, not on a daily basis, but they do have it. And sometimes they play a nice movie for the kids at 7 p.m. So a couple of these activities which I have seen my toddler enjoy. And there are many more things which you can check with the front desk team and plan. So there are two pools in JW Golfshire Resort and Spa. This is the temperature controlled pool, which is a little smaller than the main pool, which is Flamingo by JW. That one is very big. It has more sort of things like a Flamingo water sport and all other toys for water toys for the kids. Whereas this pool, that is not temperature controlled. Whereas this pool is temperature controlled, and they have all the sunbeds over here, and it's actually just adjacent to the JW kitchen, so it gets easier for you to order the refreshments, beer or whatever you want to have, along with having a dip in the pool. And they provide you tubes and other things on a request basis. So I'm at the Flamingo Pool Bar, which is beside the Flamingo Pool, the bigger pool at JW Golf Shire Resort and Spa. This is this entire pool is built like a maze, you would see, and I'm enjoying my fresh watermelon juice sitting beside this pool. This pool is not temperature controlled though, but it's quite big and has a bar attached to it, which makes it even more great because you can enjoy your drinks in the sunny weather and have a nice time in the pool. We had a pool session yesterday, so I thought I'll share a feedback that, you know, if you're coming with a bigger family, you can have a great time in this place. It is one of the good things about JW Golf Shire Resort and Spa that it does not restrict your pets. So people who have pets and are worried to go for a staycation because they don't know where to keep their pets. So for them, it's a nice spot because very few 5 stars allow pets, and JW is one of them. So if you're planning a staycation at JW and you have pets, you don't have to worry because this is a pet friendly zone in JW. Do you see the infinity field behind me? This is almost equal to 2 Chinnaswamy Stadium of Bangalore. And this is mainly built for the jogging purpose. My husband had a morning jogging over here. And it's absolutely great for people who are health conscious. Not for me, who is a little lazy. I couldn't do, even 1/4 of this ground. I was like, I'm going. But this is actually great. In the morning, you come here under the sun, get some vitamin D, and, have some nice jog in this area, which is absolutely great because I have not seen this being there in any of the other 5-star properties in Bangalore. This is East, which is the Pan Asian restaurant of JW Golf Shire Resort and Spa. And this is again a specialty restaurant of this property. I enjoyed my dinner yesterday, but I couldn't capture, much video because my kid was too cranky. But I thought it would be good to show you, this place because the food was absolutely great. They serve one of the finest Chinese food and also Thai food in this place. And the best part of the entire menu was the desserts. They give something called as chocolate bomb or something like that. I don't remember exactly the name, but that dish was absolutely amazing. So people who are Chinese food lovers can enjoy a decent food in this Pan Asian restaurant East. This is the spa by JW, and this place has steam, sauna, and the massages which is done. Today I've booked an appointment for myself for a couple spa as I'm coming for a special occasion, my 10th wedding anniversary. So I opted for a couple spa massage and I'm quite excited about it. Will share my feedback on the same. There is also a salon which is named at Parfait Salon, wherein you can get your hair or whatever services done. And just while I was entering the spa, I saw a couple of cycles being there. I think they provide this on a chargeable basis. And other than that, the spa place also has a little downstairs indoor games like badminton, and you can enjoy that on a complimentary basis. Come with your kids and have a good time, or maybe drop your kids there and have a couple massage or massage done. Fitness center and the badminton court, yoga studio, which is also there in Spa by JW Marriott. I'll quickly show you a glimpse of the fitness center. Wow, it has too many machineries over here, the cardio, cycle, everything. It's quite a huge place which also have a television, so all the match lovers can enjoy the match while having a workout session here. As I said, there is a yoga studio in the spa by JW. They have a nice, calm, peaceful place which is having absolutely no noise of the city life and the hustle bustle. It's very quiet and calm over here. Right inside the spa, there is also an entertainment zone which is not discovered by many, and this video will definitely help you because this is one of the undiscovered areas of this property. It's an indoor game area where you have various games like virtual golf, which I have not seen in Bangalore before. So this is one of the attraction in this place. Then they have badminton. They have table tennis, and for all the gaming lovers, there is PlayStation for you placed over here. They have foosball, they have snooker table, they have carom, chess, and a mini bowling setup over here. So as I said, this is one of the craziest attraction point, cause and it is not discovered by many. So I love this place because I dropped my kids here and had a great session at the spa. So I'm done with my spa, and it was so relaxing that I felt asleep while the therapist was doing the massage. It was amazing stress relief massage, and after that they give you steam and sauna, and then there is a herbal tea that's waiting for you and your partner at one of the most scenic and breathtaking view. What can I ask for more on my anniversary? It's like amazing, beautiful, and one of to have experience in your life. The lawn golf course area at JW Golfshire Resort and Spa, where all the outdoor activities happen. It starts at 4:30 p.m. and it continues till 6:30 p.m. So right now they are doing canvas painting, which is quite interesting. All the kids, even the adults, enjoy a lot. Putting their hands together on the painting, and it's really fun. I'll just show you how it happens.
Blue then. And for the kids, I'm gonna do the outline in red. So, ma'am, you can start this. Go ahead, take the resources and everything, and you can start.
So finish it off now. Shit, missed it. So I'm here at the recreational activity place at the lawn of JW Golfshire. The canvas painting starts at 4:30, as I said. Now 5:30 it is, and the other activities have began. One of them was this golf, which I love. I love this game because it requires minimal hard work, and it's quite relaxing. So I've got good skill set at putting the ball now. So I missed it this time, but I like the game. There are other games in the lawn other than that, which is the bow and arrow, which the family is enjoying. And this charming boy with his mother is playing cricket. Then there is an area for the bonfire, which they play in the evening. So you get the bonfire with some music. And there is foosball also there. We have badminton, and along with all these things we have some refreshments, which is the high tea. They have this dry snacks, which is the murk, kachoris, etc. They have some chaats, jhalmuris, and tea and coffee. They have some veg pakoras to have with the tea. So I'm loving it. Here's the lounge of JW Golfshire Resort and Spa, which is available only for the suite categories of rooms. Come, I'll show you what are the various amenities and what is there in the food and beverage. So here's the bar counter where you can order your mocktails and cocktails, and this is complimentary, as I said, for the sweet categories. And then we have some assorted nuts with some candies for the kids, and we also have some cookies, some chips. Then they have some cakes, tarts, etc. And then we also have some cheese which you can have with your biscuits or bread. They have fresh juices, they have fruits, they have yogurt which is in different flavors, and fresh cut fruits. And in the food they have bread, pita breads with hummus, and some green bean cone, khajun spice pepper on toast, then mushroom arancini, paneer tikka, etc. They have kept various dips and hummus which you can enjoy with your bread. So looks lovely. I'm gonna order some mocktails and cocktails and share my experience with you. I also see a couple of more items in this side, which is non-veg and veg spread. So let me enjoy my drinks and share the feedback with you how it was and whether I love the drinks or not. We had an amazing experience in the high tea. There were a lot of things to do, and it was extremely tiring as well because I wanted to try everything. I got tired, and then I tried a couple of mocktails in the lounge, which were amazing. Now it's 9 p.m. and time for dinner. So I'm heading towards Alishan, which is the specialty restaurant of JW Marriott, Golfshire. It is a Mughlai and Indian cuisine specialty restaurant. I'm going to try a couple of dishes there and see how the dinner is. So here we are at Alishan restaurant, and from the outside it just look absolutely majestic. I would love to see what is there in the inside. Wow. Like an Indian restaurant, they have interiors like a Mughal architecture with some Indian touch to it, which looks absolutely amazing. Here we found a place under the lights in Alishan. It's a cozy place and the starters are on the table. They have also given us some frams with some dip, chili and mint dip. And we have masala coke, lime soda and a mocktail on the table. I'm gonna try the starters and share the feedback with you. Though it's gonna be tricky with this little one, but I'm still gonna do. Let me first give him something to eat. Alright, now we will taste the starter. So this one is Gulab-e-Sheikh. It's a vegetable roll which is very similar to Hara Bhara kebab. Then we have Nandar ke Gulal. Both have a very similar taste. It's just the shapes that's different. No, baby, you can't have that. So let's try some more dishes in the main course. This is about the starters. We'll show you more about the main course. So I'm done with my dinner at Alishan, and I would like to share some thoughts on the experience that I had. First of all, the interiors and the way the restaurant has been built, it's absolutely fantastic. It gives you the touch of the Mughal era, as I said. The taste of the food was also very good. I'm a vegetarian, so I tried vegetarian dishes. The starters were good. Paneer lababdar was fantastic. Dal makhani with rice was very nice. And then we had desserts. May we had this ras malai. So it's funny, but it's just one dessert that we got to eat, right? So unlike other places where you get couple of desserts and then ice cream, and I'm so used to that way. So yeah, so people who are fond of who have a sweet mouth and fond of desserts and look for this, they'll be little disappointed like me, because I just got a rasmalai which was tasty, but as I said, options are very less. Coming to the service, I was a little disappointed today because I had done prior booking. I'm celebrating my 10th wedding anniversary, as you know. So I did a prior booking at this specialty restaurant. But the way they were like, there was some sort of confusion within the staff. They were not aware, some of them. And then with little bit of, time they came back to us by saying that it's there, but the way they kind of dealt with that situation, I was a little disappointed. So as I said, food taste was amazing, interiors is amazing, but they need to do a little bit work on the stuff. Morning everyone. I had an amazing sleep yesterday night, and I'm here at the Ivory where the breakfast buffet is being served at JW Golfshire Resort and Spa. Come, I'll show you how the spread looks like. So here are the desserts. Some croissants, donuts. Perfect muesli, yogurt, raw fruits. And then there are waffles and pancakes which the chef is preparing fresh for you. And the famous Karnataka's Kesri Bhat. There are some ice creams as well. This is the idli and sambar basically counter where there's chutneys and some parathas. There is some vada, pakoras, chole kulche, and the chef is preparing utpam dosas on the counter. They also have some tomato bhat and semia bhat and upma. Over here they have some tossed vegetables and some eggs, salmon, turkey. Hash browns, tomatoes, baked beans. And this is my favorite counter. It has fafra, poha, khakra, and some other snacks to add on to the poha. There's a noodle soup as well in the breakfast today. And some fried rice with hot sauce, etc. There is cheese and some assorted nuts. We have fresh juices and fresh cut fruits. They also have kept some cereals with hot and cold milk, and there are some shakes. And this is the best part, they have this honey which they kind of put it in a different way. It's amazing, and that's about it. So this is Truffle and Company, which is a bakery cum coffee shop of JW Golfshire Resort and Spa. It has all sorts of bakery items, which is obviously on a chargeable basis, and the rates have been written over here. They also have some macaroons and tarts here. They have the celebration cakes and small cakes. In case you are planning some sort of celebration over here, you can pre-book your cake. And I think some of the complimentary cakes that goes to you for celebration also comes from this place. They have some sort of gourmet items like the olives, avocado oil, vinegar, etc. as well over here. I tried macaroons and also a truffle cake, which was absolutely great. Here comes the end of my stay at JW Golfshire Resort and Spa. It was a very pleasant stay, and I had a great time with my family. As you know, I have come here to celebrate Valentine's Day and my 10th wedding anniversary, and everything, all the experiences that I had, right from the Sunday brunch, and then having a pool session with my kids, then enjoying the spa, couple spa with my partner, and some of the morning tea time session alone in a quiet, calm place. Everything was like wonderful. Little bit thoughts I would like to share about this property was that they have to work a little more on this service. I had a little discomfort experience in Alishan yesterday when I was having my booked table, and there was some sort of confusion which appeared to be little weird. Otherwise, they try to compensate things, but still it's not up to the mark of the 5-star standards, I would say. The food is absolutely amazing. The high tea experience, which is at Halikart, which I showed you in my videos, it's absolutely amazing. That was the best part in this video. You will see in the beginning that how we experienced a couple of games, activities and refreshments during the high tea. So whoever is visiting JW Golfshire, I would like to highlight that the high tea is top notch, the food quality is good, the properties, the way it has been located just at the foothills of Nandi Hills, that's amazing. There's a lot of greenery, there is a lot of things to do here. There is a jogging track, there is the spa is like amazing. So all those are very good points here. It's just that, as I said, the service was a little on the I would give a 3-star for that. Maybe because it's getting too much of business nowadays and they are least bothered that people are coming or not, I don't know, but I did not find that at that mark. Coming to the rates now, the most interesting part. There are various categories of rooms, as you know, and it starts from 25,000 plus tax, which includes your breakfast. And if you add a major meal, it will go to 30,000 plus tax. And then it continues till 3 lakhs, which is the presidential villa. The room where we stayed, a corner suite, it cost us almost 80,000 plus tax, which included our dinner at Alishan and breakfast. So this is about the rates, but just to let you know that in this rates, the high tea is complimentary. Your basic session that they call as family escape package sort of thing. They give you 130 minutes foot massage in that, and they give you a dinner at, as I said, Alishan. So it's worth the money if you look at the the property. It's absolutely great. So I really enjoyed my trip here. And that's the thoughts about this property.